Hello, Thomas. It's a pleasure to present a personal video for you for this beautiful 2017 Harley Davidson Sportster Roadster, 4,563 kilometers, and the price is $10,888 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety certified, it's very clean Carfax, has a extra the air filter, and also these beautiful Cobra pipes. It's a solo seat, it's for one person, one rider only, but it comes with if you need to make a two, you could add the pegs. But at this time, this is solo seat, solo rider, and they had allocated the plate on the left side. The bike is very, very clean, as I can show you in this personal video, and great conditions. So once again, if you want me to secure this motorcycle, you just call me to my direct line 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting me.